Hey guys, so it is time to do another Nadine West unboxing, so let's get into it. So for those of you who are unaware, Nadine West is a clothing subscription. It's possibly the most affordable clothing subscription I've come across. I've been a subscriber for 5-ish years now. Sorry about the loud noise here in a minute. So those of you who've been watching my videos know that I've kind of had a mixed relationship with them. I feel like sometimes I get them more for their jewelry than I do their actual clothes. I've decided to continue giving them some chances, even though I have also been considering canceling them to try other subscriptions. I went ahead and gave them this month at least until I kind of figure my shiitake out. So anyways, let's dive on in. Let's see what they have. I see one bundle with some black clothes, and I feel for another bundle. So Nadine West does give you at least 5 items, but I've gotten as many as like 11 or 12 before. This is the other bundle with some jewelry peeking out of there. You can have, there's a couple different plans. I just do the monthly one because I really don't, budgeting wise, I can't handle more than that. They send you a prepaid mailing slip to send back anything you don't like, and then there is also the pricing guide. So yeah, let's dive on into this first bundle. I'm gonna open the one with the black clothing first. So this first piece is a dress. It has buttons all the way down the front. I'm actually wondering if I could undo the buttons and turn this into a cardigan, and no, I cannot. Okay, we'll see about this. First impressions are, what on earth is this? This is nothing that I would normally pick out, but we will go out of our comfort zone and at least try it on. The next item is this super fun kind of, wrap cardigan. Robe, kimono, sorry, it's a little tangled right here. I like the print. I like the feel of it. It's nice and light. This would be super nice for summer. So I'm happy with this. We'll see how it wears, and we'll double check to make sure that it's not like some of the other things they've sent me like that, where it's not gonna fall apart after one wash. So we'll have to double check the labels on that. Let's dive on into our other bundle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out this jewelry piece real quick. It's interesting. It's in so on top of, the jewelry usually comes in these little bags, but it's in a plastic thing inside of this little bag. Don't know why. Oh, okay. So it's like these chains. Some are silver and some are this like bluish with hints of pink and brown. This reminds me of something I would wear when I was 5. I'm not gonna try this on. I'm just not, I'm sorry. This is an issue I've been having with Nadine West, is that the quality of their items is a little bit on the lower side than I would like. Now that we got that little item out of the way, since it appeared to be falling out of this bundle, we'll go ahead and dive on in. First thing I see is a pair of pants. They look like jean leggings. Oh, they are very sheer. I've gotten jean leggings from them before. I have some concerns. There's no embellishments. They literally just look like a plain pair of blue jeans, except for their leggings. I do have some concerns because I've gotten leggings from them before and they've fallen apart on me within a couple pair or washes or wears. So we'll try them on at least. We'll give them the benefit of a doubt. The next item I see is a bracelet, which could be cute. It looks like it might have a little turquoise in it. This one's also wrapped in plastic for whatever reason. That's kind of annoying. Okay, I like it. I don't know if I love it. I do like the turquoise. I might like this better if it was like turquoise and gold. But yeah, I like it. I don't love it. I like it better than that necklace, that's for sure. Another jewelry item. It appears to be a set of earrings. Oh, they're little arrows. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like these. I like these a lot. They make me think of Casey Musgrave's song, Follow Your Arrow, and I just love that song. So these might be a keeper. Like I said earlier in the video, sometimes I enjoy Nadine West, not for any of the clothing. Sometimes I get some really cute jewelry pieces out of it. And then one last jewelry item. It is another set of earrings, it looks like, and they appear to be sea stars. I'm gonna say sea stars. Sorry, technical difficulties here. Brain, that's a little hard. Well, either way, I'm not sure these are for me. Yeah, I'm not in love with these. These will be going back for sure. And then one last thing I see here is a white top. Okay, it looks like it has like the cold shoulder or open shoulder. Okay, it's sheer, of course. This would be something I would obviously have to layer something underneath it. I do believe they've sent me this top already, but in red. So we'll try these on and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, first let's talk about these bottoms. So they're a little too loose for my liking. They're pretty sheer, not that it's really an issue today with what I'm wearing. I'm hesitant that they're gonna fall apart because of the material. And I do already have leggings from them in this very similar style. So they're not bad, they're just not my favorite. I'm not motivated enough to keep them. We'll go ahead and talk about the top here in just a second. Okay, so I went ahead and put this on over the white cold shoulder words top. I really, really like this. I do think this would be fun to bring on our next cruise, especially as like a layering piece, or maybe wearing it to dinner. Our child / Sophie is about to come in and probably yell at me. You're not gonna say anything? Thank you. Sophie says hi. As for this cold shoulder top, I was already wearing a brown cami underneath it, so that's what that line is about. I'm not a super huge fan of how sheer it is, but I will give it this. I do actually like this more than the red one they sent. It is a little bit wrinkly, but I don't think it's nothing that can't be fixed with a little bit of downy wrinkle releaser. This might be something else to bring on the next cruise as well, or maybe even wear it as like a swimsuit cover up. I don't know, we have some options here. Or just wear something to cover, something light to cover up to keep me nice and cool. So I'm actually kind of liking this top. This might be a keeper, as well as the shawl or the cardigan or whatever we're calling it. Let's see, I just need to go try on that dress and then we have some final thoughts. Okay, let's talk about this dress because it is giving me some serious Sims 2 Cassandra Goth vibe, and I'll try to pop in a picture right here just so we're both on the same page about exactly what I'm talking about. Let's first talk about this length, because I have given them feedback, to be fair, that a lot of the times the dresses they send me cut off like here, and I got a booty and that just don't work. So this is a little bit on the longer side than I would like. I don't hate it, I just don't love it either. I also feel like I almost need to wear some sort of girdle to like just smooth out the bumps between here and the bottom of my hips for this to be truly flattering. This is not something I would ever see myself wearing, except maybe to a funeral if I absolutely had nothing else to wear. To be fair, here up looks bomb. I like that. But yeah. Yeah, this is probably a return. So yeah, let's go look at the invoice and see how I feel. Okay, so I looked at the invoice of the pricing sheet. I was a little hesitant to even look at this because I've been watching other YouTubers' Nadine West videos, and we've all been in agreement that Nadine West has been raising their prices on some of their clothing. So I was a little scared to see what might pop up here, but so far, honestly, the damage isn't bad. So that white cold shoulder top is only $14. So this will most likely end up being a keeper. The black floral top, that is $25, and I looked at the tag and it's hand wash only, and that's not how I live my life, man. I'm not a hand wash type of person, so it's really cute, but I'll probably be sending this back just because if you guys have been with me for a while, like last fall, they sent me something very similar to this in a different print, and I washed it once and it just fell apart and I was heartbroken. So that's where we're at with that thing. For the pants, those are $20. I'm not comfortable paying that much for that quality of pant that I'm not super in love with. The dress, this dress is $24. So if you loved it, you might be comfortable paying $24. I'm not comfortable with that. So one set of the earrings is $14 and the other set is $12. I'm gonna have to look on Nadine West's website to figure out which one is which. I will probably be keeping the arrow ones because I really liked those. And I already have some like other arrow themed jewelry and etc. The necklace, I'm not keeping that, but that's $12. And then the bracelet was $14 and I will most likely not be keeping that either. Anyways, if you've made it this far and you liked my video, consider pleasing the YouTube gods, doing the things that make the algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, you know, doing the liking and the commenting and the thumbs upping and the watching, etc. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video and have a great day.